Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Online Accountant, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in qbo.intuit.com and press enter. You will be directed to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. At the top right corner, look for the sign-in button and click on it. Once the new page loads, locate the field that asks for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your QuickBooks Online Accountant account. After entering your email, click the Continue button. On the next screen, you will see a field for your password. Type in your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Your Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have entered your password, click the Sign In button. You may be asked to complete a two-factor authentication step. Check your email or mobile device for the verification code if prompted. Enter the verification code in the designated field. Click Verify to proceed. Upon successful login, you will be taken to your QuickBooks Online Accountant dashboard. Here, you can access all the features available to you. If you encounter any issues logging in, double-check your email and password for accuracy. You can also clear your browser cache and cookies and try again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to QuickBooks support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.